If Lightroom is throwing errors on Windows, freezing, crashing on launch, or just not opening properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes that solve most Lightroom problems on a Windows PC. These steps are simple, safe, and beginner-friendly, and they can help with general Lightroom errors without wasting time trying random fixes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's fix it step by step. First, restart your system. This sounds basic, but it clears temporary bugs, background conflicts, and small memory issues that can cause Lightroom to misbehave. After your PC restarts, try opening Lightroom again and see if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to run Lightroom as an administrator. Find the Lightroom icon, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to load properly, access files, and work without being blocked by Windows security settings. Now let's move to the most effective fix for many users, which is resetting Lightroom preferences. To do this, hold Alt and Shift while opening Lightroom. Keep holding the keys until you see the prompt to reset preferences, then click Reset Preferences. This can fix corrupted settings, strange startup errors, and issues caused by bad configuration files. If Lightroom was broken because of a damaged preference file, this step often solves it quickly. Next, make sure Lightroom itself is fully updated. Open Adobe Creative Cloud, go to the Apps section, and install any available Lightroom update. Outdated versions can cause crashes, compatibility issues, and errors after Windows updates or plugin changes. Keeping Lightroom current is one of the easiest ways to avoid repeat problems. After that, update Windows too. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install all available updates. Lightroom depends on a stable Windows environment, and missing system updates can cause performance issues, login problems, or launch errors. Once the updates are finished, restart your computer again if Windows asks you to. Another important fix is updating your graphics drivers. Whether you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, go to the official driver website and install the latest version for your device. Lightroom uses your GPU for performance, so outdated drivers can trigger display glitches, black screens, crashes, or general errors. A clean driver update can make a big difference. If Lightroom is still acting up, try disabling the GPU inside Lightroom. Open Lightroom, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Performance, and turn off Use Graphics Processor. This is a very useful test because sometimes the GPU causes instability instead of improving performance. After turning it off, restart Lightroom and check whether the issue is fixed. While you're in Preferences, clear the cache as well if that option is available in your version. Cache files can become corrupted over time and cause strange behavior. Clearing them can help Lightroom reload fresh data and work more smoothly. At this point, if Lightroom is still showing errors, the combination of resetting preferences, updating Lightroom, updating Windows, updating graphics drivers, and disabling the GPU solves most Windows issues. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem immediately. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software fixes, Windows troubleshooting tips, and Adobe tutorials. Thanks for watching, and hopefully your Lightroom is working perfectly again now.